Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how I marinated and fried this turkey wings. It was so delicious. Look at that golden brown. It looks so good and it tastes so delicious. If you want to know how I got all this done, stay till the end of this video. Thank you. So here's my turkey. I have washed it nicely and here I am parboiling it like I always do in my kitchen. I'll always parboil my meat, my protein, because we are in America. A lot of things are going on here with all of these proteins. If you want to be healthy, if you want to eat healthy, this is what you can do. Just wash your meat. Once you come back with your protein, I don't care whether it's turkey, beef, just wash the preservative, parboil it this way, or you pour hot water. Feels so good when I parboil and get those preservative out. Yeah, that way I'm sure what I'm eating. A lot of American wonder is going on here. If you don't know, you don't know. You'll be surprised if I tell you that they wash some protein with bleach. Honestly, you'll be very surprised. Don't be surprised. A lot of things is going on here, and that's why I will not prepare food just carelessly. I take my time when I want to prepare food, especially when a lot of people has to eat that food. So stay tuned and see what I'm going to be doing. 15 minutes later, I opened up my pot. This is what I get. I allowed it to cool down. I'm going to rinse this out completely and get it marinated. I want to marinate and fry. We are going to be frying this turkey. Stay tuned. So guys, here is my turkey. I'm pouring it out from the pot. So all you want to do is to rinse it out one after the other, just like this. Rinse it until you see what I'm doing. Rinse it nicely. This is what you want to achieve here. Rinse, do the same process until you have done rinsing everything. And you see how nice and clean. You just rinse until you get everything rinsed out from here before you start the marinating process. We are almost done, guys. This is the process. I take all this time to make my food here, and I like to do this when I'm off, so that it will be very easy for me. After frying it or baking it, I'll ziplock it, and then anytime I want to make turkey stew or whatever, I'll be able to bring it out for use. Yeah, this is why I get my things ready ahead of time. So I'll show you the things I'm going to be marinating this turkey with. So guys, here are all the herbs I'm going to be using today for my turkey marinade. So I'll show you one after the other. I have some green peppers. I have some jalapeno peppers. And here is my ginger. I have turmeric. I'm adding scotch bonnet for a little heat. I have spring onion. I have celery here. I have rosemary. These are my rosemaries. I have cilantro. Here is my garlic. This is another type of spring onion. This one is from the Chinese people. Yeah, it has a beautiful aroma that it gives to your chicken or turkey. So here is my basil. I'm using basil. This is sage. And here is my parsley, fresh parsley. So these are all the items I'll be using in case you want to try it out. I'll just show you all over again. These are all I'm using. I'm going to clean all of this, wash it out, and then blend everything. This is almost what I use for my green herbs. Okay, stay tuned. So guys, here I have all the items nicely washed and clean. You guys see, I have yellow onion, I have red onion, I have my ginger, here is my garlic, some scotch bonnet, I have turmerics guys, I have 2 scotch bonnets, I have spring onion, celery, parsley. This is another type of spring onion. Here is sage. I have parsley here. I have basil, rosemary. I have a little bit of thyme. I have all my green chilies and my green bell peppers. So I'm going to blend all of this together. In my blender I have some groundnut oil. That is what we're going to be using to blend. So stay tuned and see what we are doing. Here is our spring onion. Here is my celery. Here is my parsley. Here is our basil. Here is our parsley guys. This is our sage. It has a very strong aroma. So you don't want to add too much of that sage. You just want a little bit, like half a cup, as I've just added. I have just added half cup of sage because it has a very strong aroma. We have our rosemary as well. It has a very strong aroma. So you want to even the rosemary, even the sage, so that it doesn't overpower your turkey or whatever you're using it to marinate. So I added just a little bit of this thyme. Like I said, you don't want any of this to overpower your turkey, you know, or chicken. Like I said, whatever you're using it for, you just want to even this item. This is the Chinese green onion. It has a beautiful aroma as well. You can get it in all these Asian stores, and even if you don't have it, that's fine. You can use a regular spring onion. I'll go in with my 2 scotch bonnets. Here is our garlic. Here we go, our ginger, and here is our turmeric. So guys, here is my onion. Well, I have yellow onion here. So guys, here is our red onion. So I have pimento seed here. Pimento seed. Is it pimento seed or pimento seed? Well, I have pimento seed. If you know this seed, you can use uzuza seed wherever you are. If you have this, you can use it. But if you have uzuza seed, black peppercorn, that's beautiful as well. So I have some cloves. I'm going to add some cloves to this. Take a little bit of time. That's why you have to prepare this before you start cooking proper. I'll go ahead and blend this. So guys, to get the best part of this marinade, add some chopped lemon and lime. It will make your chicken, turkey, whatever, to help your protein come out very delicious and nice. And this is for health reasons too. Okay, we are going to add it into our blends. So guys, here is all we're going to be using to season. I have paprika, I have curry, I have garlic powder, I have black pepper, I have pink salt, I have some cumin, I have some Goya seasoning. You know, these are all my seasoning. I'm going to add it to my turkey. I'm going to add all of my, mix everything in until it is well combined. So till you have mixed everything so nicely, that way everything goes into the turkey, all the herbs. Trust me, by the time you are done, oh my goodness, you will be licking your fingers. I have a pepper turkey wings recipe. Go and watch that video. That turkey wings came out so delicious. This video is a special request. After that turkey wings video I shared just a few days ago, somebody requested I show them how to marinate, turkey, like a whole pot. If you want to have any kind of family gathering or whatsoever, maybe Christmas party in your house, you just do it yourself. In fact, she told me she usually look for somebody she pays just to marinate her chicken whenever they have family gathering, you know. So, and I promised her I'm going to do this for her, and that is why I'm doing this. So stay tuned and enjoy this video. I'm going to put them in the tray and I'll set them into the oven because I want it to just grill for about 20 to 30 minutes before I start frying. That way the marinade will get into the turkey so nicely. You know, you won't have to struggle eating the turkey. If you just give it a bite, it will come out from the bone just one time, you know. So that is what we are trying to achieve here. So in case this is a good idea for you, please go ahead and try this out. Can you see how the marinade is on this turkey? Every bit of the turkey has this marinade. Try this for your Christmas turkey, Christmas chicken, whatever party. Maybe you just want to give your family a treat. Just go ahead and marinate your fish, your chicken. Give it time. This is so beautiful. Like, everything here smells so amazing. So this is the second tray. I'm going to get it into the oven. You can hear that sound. We are ready to go in. So guys, you want to set your oven on 350. You do not want this turkey to get burned because remember, you're still going to fry it. You're just doing this because you want everything to soak into the turkey, like all of this marinade to really enter into the turkey. So you don't want to put too much heat on it. All you need is just for it to cook for a little bit and be tender. This is on 350, as you can see. So guys, our turkey is in. So I'm going to bring out the one that is up and cover it so that it doesn't get burnt. I'm going to do this just to save it. I don't want it to get burnt, that's why I have to cover it. So guys, I'll let it grill on 20 minutes. Flip it to the other sides so everything is evenly cooked before we start frying. It's actually been over 40 something minutes. Here is our turkey. This is how we want it to look like. So this is it. This is our turkey. This is how you want it to be. Look at it. Everything has soaked into it. I'll start frying. This is the one that was covered. This is the one that was open. So you can see, but this is so delicious. It smells so amazing right here. So here's my remaining marinade, guys. I'm still going to use this to marinate other things. I'll put it in the freezer. You can use it to marinate your fish, your chicken, your gizzard. Use this to marinate your shrimp. You can use it to marinate your potato chips. You know, it's a delicious marinade for real. Very, very healthy as well. So guys, I just throw in one garlic and throw in another one. This will infuse a very beautiful aroma into your turkey, your chicken, whatever you are frying. This is to see if my oil is ready so I can start throwing in my turkey. You can also throw in your onion. I have some onion in there. So all of this will give your turkey a very beautiful aroma and taste. Chicken, fish, turkey. If I use the same oil for any sauce recipe, trust me, that sauce will come out so fantastic. Once your oil is hot, guys, start adding. Make sure your oil is not too hot at this point so that it doesn't splash all over the place, so that way you will not get yourself hot. This is the last part of the turkey. I'm going to add it in. So guys, this is about the last one. So these are all the juice we got. I'm going to save all of these for my jollof rice and other rice recipes. So guys, we have come to the end of this turkey wings recipe. I hope you give it a try. Look at how beautiful it's looking. That golden brown for me is just boom. I just love that color. Guchies team, be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful heart. Ciao, ciao. See you in my next video.